Handy Hudsonite here. We're going to look at how to keep your toilet tank from sweating, from producing that condensation that can tend to drip, especially in the summer months when it's hot, it's humid, and it's just constantly something that's on the toilet tank because the water in the tank is colder than the air around it. And we had this issue for years on our tank, and it was really frustrating because we'd come in here and there'd be a puddle of water on the floor, and I didn't really know what to do about it. So I started researching and found out that you can get like a cork insulator to put inside of your water tank so that it keeps the outside of it from sweating, and it's been a good solution for us. One of the downsides of the insulation is it has produced a little bit of mold on it. It's not real pretty to look at, but it's actually very effective, and I'll probably go in there with some bleach sometime and clean out the mold on it. But it's something that has been really helpful in preventing the toilet bowl from sweating. So this part, the toilet bowl, not the bowl, the toilet bowl tank here is when it gets really hot outside, this tends to produce a lot of moisture because of the difference in temperature between the outside and the inside. And so this is where I installed the cork, and might be able to give you a little peek at it. So that's the cork material. In there, I did kind of a sloppy glue job. It's a very strong adhesive that keeps it in there, obviously because it's always in the water. So it's been a real effective way to keep the moisture down on the toilet bowl tank. So if you're struggling with having that moisture, I would encourage you to look into that. They might have some new methods of doing this now. This was several years ago that I installed this, but it's definitely cut down on that condensation on the outside of the toilet bowl tank. So be sure to subscribe to my channel here, the Handy Hudsonite, where I give you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And hit the notification bell so that you can get up-to-date information. Make sure to hit the part of it that says all notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.